Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. In this video, we are going to take a look at the IFERROR function. Now this is a really useful function that was introduced in Excel 2007 that basically allows us to keep our workbooks a little bit tidier and not have to have workarounds to avoid errors being returned from our functions. So if we look in this column here, you will notice that there is a VLOOKUP formula. However, because there are no values in this first column, which we're looking up, if I copy this formula down, we'll get it returning errors. Now we want to avoid this, and this is where your IFERROR function comes in. So it's IFERROR, and the way it works is the first part of your function is the function you want to return. So in this case, our VLOOKUP. The second part is what you want to return if there is an error. Now in this instance, if there was an error, I would just like it to return a 0 value. And we close our brackets and complete the formula. So if we copy that down, you'll notice now where there's nothing in this column, it's returning a 0. However, if I were to now add in another one, it would then return the appropriate VLOOKUP. This is obviously very useful when you start doing more complicated formulas and complicated workbooks, but this is just a very simple introduction. I do hope you found this useful. Please do like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on a future video.